Why are fractals everywhere in nature? Imagine walking through a forest and noticing how each branch on a tree looks like a miniature version of the whole tree. That's a hint of how fractals appear all around us. Fractals are patterns that repeat at different sizes, and they are everywhere in nature. They show us how simple rules can create complex, beautiful forms. In plants, for example, many structures follow a pattern called the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence starts with 1 and 1, then adds the two previous numbers to get the next. So it goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. This pattern helps plants grow in ways that maximize sunlight and space. Think of sunflowers, pine cones, and Romanesco broccoli. Their spirals and branching shapes follow this sequence, making growth more efficient. Fractals also show up in mountains, coastlines, and river systems. When you look at a mountain range from above, you see peaks and valleys that repeat at different scales. The way rivers branch out to drain water across land is also fractal. Smaller streams join from larger rivers, creating a pattern that helps water flow smoothly. Blood vessels in our bodies grow in a similar way, branching out to reach every part of our tissues. This pattern makes sure oxygen and nutrients reach all areas effectively. Lightning bolts and clouds display fractal shapes too. Lightning splits into smaller branches, and clouds have complex, repeating patterns that fill space efficiently. These shapes help physical forces like electricity and air move through the environment smoothly. Even in the nervous system, neurons branch out in fractal patterns to connect with other cells. From a numbers point of view, fractals link math with the natural world. They show how simple rules can produce complex forms that we see in nature. This connection reveals that nature often follows underlying mathematical principles. It's like nature is using a secret code made of numbers and shapes to organize itself. Knowing about fractals has practical uses. Computer graphics use fractal algorithms to create realistic landscapes. Medical imaging looks for fractal patterns in tissues to spot abnormalities. Engineers also study fractal branching to design better networks and systems. In the end, fractals are everywhere because they help nature grow, adapt, and organize efficiently. They follow simple rules that lead to complex, beautiful patterns. These patterns reminded us that numbers and math are deeply woven into the world around us, shaping everything from tiny blood vessels to vast mountain ranges.